नमस्ते ईशान।
नमस्ते कुलदीप मामू।
भगवद गीता chapter 2 shlokas 31, 32 and
33.
yeah. So till now it was about Sharira and
Atman.
Atman. Now it is going to be all about Dharma, Swadharma,
Swadharma.
our duty. Bhagavan is going to speak about our duty. Okay?
Okay मामू।
So be with all Shraddha. You have to be alert. Okay?
Okay मामू।
31st shloka. Swadharmamapi chavekshya
स्वधर्ममपि चावेक्ष्य
na vikampitum-arhasi
न विकम्पितुमर्हसि
dharmyadhiyuddhachreyoonyat
धर्म्याधियुद्धाश्रेयोन्यत्
dharmyadhi it is dharmyadhiyuddhachreyoonyat
धर्म्याधियुद्धाश्रेयोन्यत्
yeah kshatriyasya na vidyate
क्षत्रियस्य न विद्यते।
once again swadharmamapi chavekshya
स्वधर्ममपि चावेक्ष्य
na vikampitum-arhasi
न विकम्पितुमर्हसि
dharmyadhiyuddhachreyoonyat
धर्म्याधियुद्धाश्रेयोन्यत्
uttamam. This is actually a little bit difficult, but you have chanted it very beautiful. Kshatriyasya na vidyate
क्षत्रियस्य न विद्यते।
now 32nd shloka yadrichhaya chopapannam
यदृच्छया चोपपन्नम्
swargadvaramapavritam
स्वर्गद्वारमपावृतम्
sukhinah kshatriyah partha
सुखिनः क्षत्रियाः पार्थ
labhante yuddhamidrisham
लभन्ते युद्धमीदृशम्।
once again yadrichhaya chopapannam
यदृच्छया चोपपन्नम्
swargadvaramapavritam
स्वर्गद्वारमपावृतम्
sukhinah kshatriyah partha
सुखिनः क्षत्रियाः पार्थ
labhante yuddhamidrisham
लभन्ते युद्धमीदृशम् मीदृशम्।
no don't do that, don't cut it from somewhere. yuddhamidrisham
युद्धमीदृशम्।
even if you make a mistake, have that full word. Okay?
ओके मम्मू।
now 33rd atha chettvamimam dharmyam
अथ चेत्त्वमिमं धर्म्यं
sangramam na karishyasi
सङ्ग्रामं न करिष्यसि
tataswadharmam kirtincha
ततः स्वधर्मं कीर्तिं च
hitva papamavapsyasi
हित्वा पापमवाप्स्यसि।
again atha chettvamimam dharmyam
अथ चेत्त्वमिमं धर्म्यं
sangramam na karishyasi
सङ्ग्रामं न करिष्यसि
tataswadharmam kirtincha
ततः स्वधर्मं कीर्तिं च
hitva papamavapsyasi
हित्वा पापमवाप्स्यसि।
shall we chant it together?
यस् ममो।
स्वधर्ममपि चावेक्ष्य न विकम्पितुमर्हसि धर्म्याधियुद्धाच्छ्रेयोऽन्यत् क्षत्रियस्य न विद्यते यदृच्छया चोपपन्नं स्वर्गद्वारमपावृतं सुखिनः क्षत्रियाः पार्थ लभन्ते युद्धमीदृशम् अथ चेत्त्वमिमं धर्म्यं संग्रामं न करिष्यसि ततः स्वधर्मं कीर्तिं च हित्वा पापमवाप्स्यसि. Let us go through the meanings now. Till now, it was about discrimination between Sharira and
Atman.
Atman. Don't say it as Atman. It's not Atman, not English. It's Atman.
Atman.
Hey, Atman.
Atman.
Okay,
Okay, Mamma.
you are learning Sanskritam. Now, from 31st shloka, Krishna is reminding Arjuna about his duty as a Kshatriya. Okay?
Okay, Mamma.
Shlokas 31 and 32, Bhagavan is describing the benefit of war. War and benefit. War and benefit. Let us see how it is. Swadharmamapi chavekshya
न विकम्पितुमर्हसि.
na vikampitumarhasi.
न विकम्पितुमर्हसि.
Dharmyadhiyuddha shreyonyat.
क्षत्रियस्य न विद्यते.
Very good. Swadharmam cha avekshya api vikampitum na arhasi. Bhagavan is saying, having regard to your own duty too, you ought not to waver. Till now it was shochitum na arhasi. No?
Yes, Mamma.
Why? Because you are not this Sharira, but you are
Atman.
Atman. Yes. Now Krishna says, having regard to your own duty too, your dharma too, you ought not to waver. Vikampitum na arhasi. You should not tremble. That's the meaning. What is Arjuna's dharma here?
To fight.
To fight, yes. And he has to do that, right?
Yes, Mamma.
What is Innu's dharma?
To learn Bhagavad Gita.
Oh, is it? Yes, Innu's dharma is to learn Bhagavad Gita and other scriptures in this journey. Okay?
Okay, Mamma.
What is Mamu's dharma?
To do Vande Guru Paramparam and teach me Bhagavad Gita.
Yeah. Vande Guru Paramparam and teach you Bhagavad Gita, and through you many people are learning. Many little ones are learning. Okay?
Okay, Mamma.
So that is Mamu's dharma. Now Krishna says, Kshatriyasya dharmat yuddhat anyat shreyah na vidyate. There is nothing higher for a Kshatriya than a righteous war. See, nothing more meritorious for a Kshatriya than a dharma yuddha.
Mamma, did Rama did a Dharma Yuddha?
Yes. Rama did a dharma yuddha and killed Ravana. And Ravana was adharma. Ravana was adharmi, no?
Mamma, Ravana was also little good.
Okay. See this thing, you have to understand one thing. Ravana was good. Okay, that is okay. But this is all about dharma. You will have lot of skills, talent, all those things. Now it is nowadays it is a trend to highlight the villain. Like we will say Ravana is great and we will make stories on Ravana and all that. But understand that Bhagavad Gita and all our scriptures is all about dharma. One who is living with dharma, they are considered as jnanis. Okay?
Okay, Mamma.
Just understand that. Yadrichaya chopapannam
Swargadwaramapavrutam
sukhinah kshatriyah partha.
Labhante yuddhamidrisham.
Hey Partha, O Partha, who is Partha?
Arjuna.
Yeah. यदृच्छया च उपपन्नम ईदृशम अपावृतम स्वर्गद्वारम युद्धम सुखिनः क्षत्रियाः लभन्ते. Happy indeed are those kshatriyas who are called upon to fight in such a battle that comes of itself as an open gateway to heaven. Lucky are these kshatriyas who have got this opportunity to do this dharma yuddha. See, this yuddha came yadrichaya. Yadrichaya, okay? It comes of itself. Krishna did all this for a beautiful reason, right?
Yes, Mamu.
And we know that, right?
Yes, Mamu.
Yes. Now, 33rd. Atha chetvamimam dharmyam
Sangramam na karishyasi.
sangramam na karishyasi. Tatah swadharmam kirtincha
Hitva papam avapsyasi.
hitva papam avapsyasi. Atha tvam imam dharmyam sangramam na karishyasi chet. Now, if you refuse to fight this dharma yuddha, tatah swadharmam kirtincha hitva papam avapsyasi, then in abandoning your duty and reputation, you will incur sin. You will invite sin. If you say you won't wage war, that means you are neglecting your duty. See, you will lose your reputation and will also incur sin. See, my guru says, interestingly he says, all the newspapers next day will have the heading, the great warrior Dhanurdhari Arjuna has become a bhiru, has become a coward. That will be the heading. You will lose your reputation. See, Bhagavan says. How beautiful it is, no?
Yes, Mamu.
See, Bhagavan has all these ideas to convince you. Now, let us get into the tidbits. It is all about Swadharma.
Swadharma.
Yes. Swadharma is that action which is natural to you, which is in accordance to your nature. Mama will tell you a very beautiful example. See, your Amma is really good in cooking, right?
Yes, Mamu.
She cooks with all love, right?
Yes, Mamu.
She hasn't taken leave on any day for that matter. She will be always cooking, no?
Yes, Mamu.
See, she does that with all love, right?
Yes, Mamu.
She never said, I will not cook today, you go and have restaurant food and all that. No?
Yes, Mamu.
Now, Innu is naturally good at reciting Gita and chanting all these shlokas, all these things. And you do that with all love, right?
Yes, Mamu.
And even when you are sleeping, even if you are sleeping, when Mamu tells you that Innu, come, let us chant Gita, you won't say, chup raho. No?
Yes, Mamu.
You will come and do Gita, right?
Yes, Mamu.
So Gita comes naturally to you, right?
Yes, Mamu.
Now, how about Mamu? Music comes naturally to Mamu, right?
Yes, Mamu.
Now, can you imagine your Amma playing football or cricket? Can you imagine? Can you imagine Innu cooking every day from morning, afternoon, evening and all that? Okay. Can you imagine Mammu becoming a police? If Mammu becomes police, I will tell you what happens. If Mammu becomes police, all the thieves will become, they will chant Ramanama. No?
Yes, Mamu.
Yeah. So, Ishwaranama. They will all start chanting Ishwaranama. Okay, whatever it is. So, each one of Each one of us has something natural inside us, right?
Yes, Mamu.
We are blessed by Krishna with some skill or talent. If we find it, we have found our Swadharma. Once you find it with Guru's blessings, then life would be easier and effortless. Effortless means He will keep guiding you. Everything would be easy. See, abundance comes in search of us after that. Mahalakshmi will be behind us. Why? Because we are with
Narayana.
we are with Narayana. See, once we get to know about our dharma, swadharma, then it is our responsibility to stay in that and keep doing that with all Shraddha. Bhagavan Krishna will come and help you in each thing you do. He will give us beautiful ideas. He will provide us all the resources. He will make us do all that, and we will be in happiness, ultimate happiness and joy in the process itself. Not after the result. The process itself we will enjoy. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
See, Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi has told us the secret of doing in Upadesha Sara, 3rd verse. Ishwararpitam.
Nechaya kritam. Chitta shodhakam. Mukti sadhakam.
Very good. See, action done with no desire. Ishwararpitam. Offered to the Lord. It will purify our mind, and that's the way to moksha too. See, keep doing your swadharma, okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Offer everything you do to Krishna. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Say,
Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.
when you eat, offer it to Him. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. When you play, offer it to Him. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. When you do even small things like when you do shower, offer it to Him. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. See, everything you do, offer it to Him. In this process, what will happen? Chitta Shuddhi will happen. This will purify our mind, and that's the way to moksha too. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
So keep doing your dharma. Swadharma, if rightly done, will give you the highest joy, and that will take you to Krishna Himself. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Done for today? Shall we stop?
Yes, Mamu.
So, Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Shri Krishnarpanamastu.
Shri Krishnarpanamastu.
Uttamam, Ati Uttamam. Okay?